Hey everyone, welcome to World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some vintage and smart home decoration ideas. Let's start the video. Vintage and smart home decoration means decorating your home with a style that takes cues from the past, especially from the early to mid 20th century, but blends them with today's comfort and functionality. On a state of being strictly antique or historically exact, it captures the charm, romance, and character of old times in a way that feels fresh and livable now. Key features of vintage and smart decor: furniture with character, pieces that look aged or have classic designs like distressed old tables, carved chairs, or retro armoires. Soft romantic colors, pastels like mint, blush, or cream, muted tones like shades, dusty blue, beige, and warm neutrals. Patterns and textures: florals, toile, lace, gingham, crochet, embroidery, and ruffles add an old-fashioned touch. Accessories with nostalgia: use vintage clocks, typewriters, glass bottles, enamel and old picture frames. Mix of old and new, real antiques like a dresser paired with modern comfort like sofas, lighting for balance. Handmade and repurposed touches: crochet towels, repaint furniture, messenger vases, and upcycled finds. Lighting: use soft warm lamps, candeliers with crystals, or lantern-style lighting. Natural elements: use fresh flowers, dried buckets, wicker baskets, and rustic wood for a cozy atmosphere. Overall feel: cozy, charming, and nostalgic. Romantic and graceful, a little rustic but not too rough. Personal, warm, and storytelling. Think of it as making your home look like it carries stories from another era. Grandma's house, a cottage in the countryside, or a chic 1920s apartment, but in a way that feels comfortable for modern life. Let me expand with more in-depth information about vintage and smart home decoration so you get a clear picture. The essence of vintage and smart decor: it doesn't mean your home has to be filled only with antiques. It is about capturing the charm of the past and weaving it into your everyday spaces. Instead of being a strict reproduction of a certain era, it blends nostalgic details like furniture, fabrics, and accessories with modern comfort. The goal is a space that feels timeless, cozy, and full of character. Core elements: furniture, use distressed or painted wood pieces like whitewashed cabinets and rustic tables. Use classic silhouettes like wingback chair, tufted sofas, and farmhouse-style benches. Repurposed items: use an old trunk as a coffee table, a swing machine stand as a console. Colors: use soft pastels like blush, shades, lavender, pale yellow. Muted tones like cream, taupe, dusty rose, faded blues, and antique white. Sometimes deeper accents like burgundy, navy, or forest green for richness. Patterns and fabrics: floral prints, use tall polka dots, lace, and gingham. Natural fabrics: use cotton, linen, crochet, and lacy overlays. Ruffled curtains, slip-covered, or beading for softness. Next, accessories: old-style clocks, candlestick, and enamel jugs. Mirrors with ornate frames. Use vintage glassware, messengers, vintage bed frames, or crochet towels. Decorative plate is hung on walls or displayed in cabinets. Lighting, candlelights, crystal or earth iron, soft glow table lamps with fabric or lace shades. Use lanterns, sconces, or Edison bulb fixtures for nostalgic glow. Natural touches. Use fresh flowers on old jars or enamel pictures. Use dried lavender, roses, or eucalyptus for fragrance and texture. Use baskets, wicker, or rattan for storage and warmth. Atmosphere. It creates warm and cozy. Spaces feel inviting and lifting, romantic and graceful. Gentle curves, soft fabrics, and pastel tones. Storytelling spaces. Every piece looks like it has history. Mix and match, imperfections and charm. Mismatched furniture can feel stylish and authentic. Vintage and smart decoration is about crafting a home that feels like a blend of nostalgia and comfort, charming, elegant, and timeless, without being stuck in the past. Philosophy of vintage and smart decor. It is about honoring the past without being trapped in it. Instead of filling your home with only antique pieces, you mix old style designs with modern conveniences. The magic is in creating a home that feels romantic, nostalgic, and personal while still being practical. Key characteristics: furniture with soul. The strays are weathered oud, painted in whites, creams, or muted colors. Curvy details: club feet, curved edged spindles, or tufted backs. Repurposed finds: cloths as shelves, ladders as blanket racks, trunks as coffee tables. Core principles of vintage and smart decor: mix of old and new. Combine antique or vintage style furniture with modern comforts. Example: a tufted sofa with contemporary cushions, or an old dresser with a modern lamp. Personal touches: incorporate items that tell a story, family heirlooms, handmade crafts, or travel souvenirs. Use crochet, embroidery, or handmade decor adds personality. Soft romantic aesthetic: pastels and muted tones dominate the palette. Layered textures like lace, curtains, soft rugs, and fabric cushions enhance comfort. Functional nostalgia: items that look vintage can still serve modern purposes, like chairs as vases, cloths as shelves. Focus on making spaces practical yet charming. Popular vintage and smart style: cottage or Victorian vintage. Use soft florals, lace pastels furniture, cozy and romantic. Rustic farmhouse: use distressed oud, natural textures, muted colors, and handmade decor. Mid-century modern vintage: plain lines with retro colors like mustard yellow, olive green, or tan. Iconic furniture shapes. Art Deco revival: glamorous metallics, geometric patterns, and mirrored furniture. Key decorative elements: furniture, distressed oud, tucked chairs, curved backs, and ornate cabinets. Textiles: use lace curtains, crochet towels, ruffled cushions, and floral or gingham patterns. Accessories: antique clocks, enamelware, vintage mirrors, glass bottles, and porcelain figurines. Lighting: use candlelights, candle-style sconces, lamps with fabrics or lace shades. Use natural elements: fresh and dried flowers, wicker baskets, wooden accents, and plants. Tips for achieving a vintage and smart home: blend old style pieces with modern functionality. Use layers of textures and fabrics for warmth and depth. 2-way muted pastels or natural color palette. Incorporate handmade or DIY elements for uniqueness. Add small decorative details like ribbons, lace, or crescent accents. Sweetness in a spa decor is about nostalgia, charm, and personal storytelling. It combines timeless aesthetics with modern livability, using furniture, textiles, colors, and accessories that evoke the past while remaining comfortable today. Philosophy and essence. Vintage in a spa decor is about feeling nostalgic without being outdated. It emphasizes character, warmth, and personality, often incorporating handmade or repurposed items. The goal is a home that tells a story through furniture, textiles, and decor accents while remaining functional for contemporary life. Core elements furniture used to trace or reclaimed oak pages with soft curves or ornate carvings. Classic silhouettes like wingback chairs, tufted sofas, and cloth tables. Upcycled or repurposed items like an old ladder as a bookshelf or a vintage trunk as a coffee table. Practical approach. Here, vintage and inspired pieces with modern necessities, repurpose and upcycle, turn old furniture or chairs into functional decor. Seasonal accents. Change flowers, textiles, or small accessories to keep the home fresh. Personalization. Add home items, family heirlooms, or DIY projects to make the space truly yours. Overall atmosphere: cozy, inviting, and warm, romantic and graceful with soft colors and gentle curves. Timeless and personal, reflecting history, personality, and memories. Vintage bottom decoration is a blend of nostalgia and modern comfort. It creates a home that feels lived in, warm, and full of character by combining soft colors, textured fabrics, handcrafted items, and carefully crafted decor pieces. Definition and concept. Vintage and spa decor draws inspiration from past decades, mainly early to mid-20th century, while adapting it to contemporary living. It emphasizes charm, character, and nostalgia rather than being strictly antique. The focus is on creating a warm, inviting, and timeless atmosphere. Use natural and handmade items like fresh flower tinctures, enamel pitchers, or vases. Add flowers like lavender, hydrangeas, or roses for a timeless look. Use wooden, wicker, or rattan furniture and baskets to add warmth. Crochet or handmade items like table runners, vase covers, and cushion covers. Practical tips for modern living. Mix vintage style decor with modern furniture for comfort and functionality. Repurposed items, old chairs as vases, cradles as shelves, trunk as coffee tables. Seasonal accents, soft textiles, flowers, or small decor pieces to keep spaces fresh. Atmosphere and mood: cozy, warm, and inviting. Romantic and elegant with soft fabrics and gentle colors. Timeless and nostalgic, telling a story through decor choices. Vintage and smart home decoration is about creating a home that feels like it has history and character, blending past charm with present-day livability. It focuses on soft colors, layered textures, handmade or repurposed elements, and carefully crafted decor to evoke nostalgia while remaining functional and comfortable. Practical implementations. Combine vintage and spa decor with modern furniture for comfort and convenience. Repurpose vintage items as decorative pieces. rooted seasonal decor elements like textiles and flowers. Personalize the space with heirlooms or DIY craft to make it unique. Atmosphere and mood: cozy, inviting and romantic, elegant yet practical, nostalgic and storytelling. Each either evokes memory or character. Timeless, avoiding trends that fade quickly. Windows in a smart home decoration is about creating warmth, nostalgia, and character in your living space. It blends soft colors, layered textures, handmade or repurposed decor, and crafted accessories to make homes feel cozy, elegant, and timeless. Unlike pure antiques, it prioritizes aesthetic charm and livability over strict historical accuracy. Definition and essence: Windows in a smart decor is a blend of nostalgic charm and modern functionality. It is not about owning authentic antiques, but rather capturing the look, feel, and warmth of bygone eras. The style celebrates imperfection, personal story, and craftsmanship, making spaces feel lived in and inviting. Windows in a smart home decoration is about creating a home that feels nostalgic, personal, and cozy, blending past charm with present-day comfort. It uses soft colors, layered textures, handmade and repurposed elements, and crafted accessories to give spaces a timeless, inviting look. Unlike strict antique decor, it prioritizes aesthetic warmth and livability over historical accuracy. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.